day from here, from the south. Guys, it's an amazing day. It's still sunny out here right now. And I know in some parts of the world it's already dark, it's already late. In case you are here for the first time, my name is EGHE. I upload videos and I talk about daily life. So as you can see, I'm walking along the street. Yeah, it's just that kind of the day again whereby I go out, I work, I just exercise. This is my own workout. Okay, as I always say in my video, I don't go to the gym, and I'm not against it. Okay, if you go to the gym, I don't. So I'm just gonna be walking around because I feel like I needed some movement. So I want to walk around at least for an hour. After that, then I'll be going to the mall. So stay tuned and keep watching. So right now I'm walking. Please do try to check out my videos. Okay, try to check it out. Wow, the train is moving. Try to check out my videos. I have a lot of amazing videos, and if you haven't checked them out, go check them out. We got some inspirational videos, motivational videos, some entertaining videos. So I think like the one I'm doing right now, this is just to entertain you guys. Yeah, for those of you that are out there, yeah, like you are thinking what to do. Yeah, sometimes I know it can be so hard on us. We don't want to step out there. It's very important. Yeah, at the beginning might be too hard, just having a walk for 30 minutes, it won't hurt. Just doing that. Yeah, the beginning might be hurt, but I do this. I used to do this a lot, but now I started doing it again because I need it. My body need it, and we still need it. I know that some people believe that you gotta have a lot of weight to be doing that, to be exercising. I don't think you need to have a lot of weight to do that. I'm skinny and I'm not complaining, but I think that my body needs it. If you want to avoid inflammation, body pain, all those stuff, you need some of these things. Okay, you need some of these things so that you won't be having body pains and everything, because sometimes you can have body pains maybe because you don't have enough movement in your body, you are not active enough, you are not flexible enough. Because I know we've got a lot of folks out there that their favorite thing to do is to watch TV. Maybe they just come back from work and they watch TV and they forget to take care of themselves by exercising. You got to be you got to love you got to take good care of you. Taking good care of you is not only when you eat good food. You also need to exercise really good. And for me, to exercise doesn't mean only when you run or only when you jump or only when you stretch. No, just walking around in your neighborhood can also help. You might not be seeing it. Normally what I do, I have my watch that I normally wear, so it will tell me how many steps I make a day. I didn't wear it, I forgot though. So it will tell me how many steps I make a day, and it normally tells you how many steps you are supposed to make a day to stay healthy. Being you overweight or being you slim, you need it. Okay, that's why you see some of our mommies, they are very active because they are always on the move. They are always on the move because they don't just sit in one place like voila, like they move a lot. That's why you see some mommies, you are inviting them to come over. They're like, I don't want to come to the Western world and be a liability and just be indoors doing nothing. Say I can't do that. I want to be free. I want to be able to do the things that I love. So I'm just walking around the neighborhood here. Yes, right now you're watching me. I'm walking, just walking around, and I'm having fun. Yeah, the whole week it has been so cold, guys, but today it's cold, but isn't that bad? And I'm enjoying the fresh breeze. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. This is good. And what I love about this neighborhood, there's a lot of walking paths. God, this is an opportunity because not all neighborhoods that have this type of walking paths. You know, this you take advantage of the beautiful things you have. So the fact that we have this amazing neighborhood and all these great walking paths, so why not just make good use of it? So I'm just making good use of it right now. Yeah, this is the EGHE Show. Keep washing. Yeah, so you know, I'm really having a nice day. I'm having a nice day because sometimes inside can be so warm. I'm tired of that heat. I say, come on, girl, you need to step out there. You need to step out there and have fun. You know, this is for me. This is one of my hobby. You know, we all got our favorite things to do, but this is one of my best because it makes me happy whenever I'm doing this. You know, it's just one of my best. So if you are watching, I want you to tell me what was your best hobby and what you love to do at your private time, at your private moments, you know, stuff like that. You know, just let us know at the comment section below. Yes, if you are into this and you do lot of exercise, let me know. Let's keep encouraging ourselves. Let's keep yeah, please do not take this like a joke. You need it, especially this time around, you know, where a lot of stuff are going on. You need to exercise a lot. I'm not saying that you should go out there and be jumping. You can do this even indoors, okay? And I know that sometimes health issues might restrict some people, you know, but just do the best you can. Just do the best you can. Yeah. It's an amazing day, guys. It's an amazing day. So I'm just walking right now. I am having fun. I want you guys to come along with me. Let's have a nice day, nice beautiful moment, nice hour. Oof. I am having fun. You guys can see we got a lot of walking paths. You know, I mean, who wouldn't want to take advantage of that? Like in the morning, you need to come to this neighborhood. You will see lot of people. Like they will be running. You even see people with kids. Like the kids will be on the stroller. They will be on the whatever they call it, boogie. The Belgians, they call it boogie. They will be inside the boogie, and their parents will be running with them, and everybody is exercising. People take advantage of what they have, you know. I believe that a lot of people who live around this neighborhood, they don't spend money on gym at all, because I used to see them because when the time I was not working, I used to come here like around 7 o'clock in the morning to run around the feed. Yeah, I used to come to that feed, guys. Yeah, let me show you guys. I used to come to that feed. I will run around, you know. So why not take the advantage and just make good use of the opportunity? So remember to always exercise, stay fit, and I see you on my next video, guys. Remember, our next video is inside the family, another amazing episode. Please, I want you guys to come and support me, okay? I do it every week, so it's gonna be on premiere. Guys, can always check on the EGHE Show, because the EGHE Show is always lively, it's always fun, it's always entertaining. A lot of amazing things happen there, in case you don't know me, okay? Because there's no dull moment. There's no dull moment at all. You know, I always check on my people. How you guys doing today? please remember to stay happy. I always want my viewers to be happy. Because when you are happy, I believe that that's the same thing you are gonna put in other people's faces. So I encourage you all. I also encourage myself. Okay, the good things that I want for myself, that's what I want for you guys, to always stay happy. Because at the end of the day, when you are happy, you will be able to do lots of amazing things for yourself, a lot of good things, you know. So, and one of the things that actually make people happy that I noticed, like for me, when I help, it makes me happy. When I help people, it makes me happy. When I go out there to exercise, it also makes me happy. When I do the things that I love, it makes me happy. That's how I find my own happiness. So I want you to drop your comment at the comment section below to tell me what makes you happy, the things that you do that makes you happy. Okay, the things that you do that makes you happy. Let everybody strive for it. We gotta strive for it, because I believe that as an individual, we all deserve to be happy. We all deserve it. Okay, no one deserves to be sad. No one deserves to be depressed. No one deserves to be lonely, you know. So let's strive for it. And how can you be? It's only when you do the things that you love. You know, don't be shy. You know, just do the things that you love. As long as you know that that thing is not hurting anyone out there. That's my logo. As long as I know that it's not hurting you, I'm not giving you pain, I'm not hurting you, but I know that I'm just striving for happiness. Why not just I do the things that I love? I see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys. Remember to give a thumbs up. Share me out. Yeah, I'm still walking around. I told you guys I'm gonna be walking around for at least 1 hour, y'all. 1 hour.